Anyone who's ever organized a kids' sports team or a large multi-layered group event knows how challenging it can be to keep everyone on the same page. A new app for Android and iOS aims to streamline this communication so there's a lot less time organizing and more time enjoying. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I want to introduce you to Spond and thank the folks at Spond for sponsoring this post. So what is Spond? Spond is an app that helps you organize large events, groups, or teams. A website version of the app is also available at spond.com. You can manage a soccer club, a football team, music group, band, scout troop, or even your book club. Spond can allow you to invite people to games, practices, or other team or group events. The app, while it's handy, isn't required for any group members. Members' alerts can come in via text, email, or as a push notification from the app if that's what you want. So who's Spond for? Spond is a genius organization and productivity app for groups. From small groups of friends trying to plan an outing to large sports leagues, everyone can stay on the same page by using Spond to communicate. A poll of users recently found that organizers save about 2 hours a week using Spond over something like Facebook Messenger or texts. So how does Spond work? The first thing you'll need to do is set up an account, and you can opt not to use your phone number for verification and communication if you want. Just click the opt-out button near the bottom. You'll get a code via email to verify your address, and then you should be ready to go. You'll create a profile and you can link it to your Facebook profile if you like. Make sure you turn notifications on when prompted so you'll be kept up to date if events or things in your group change. With Spond, you can even designate coaches, for example, to have some communication responsibility with the team structure. The batting coach can communicate with the hitters for a special practice, for example, while the pitching coach could set up exercises with the hurlers. This saves time because parents and team members aren't wading through a ton of texts, emails, and other messages trying to find the ones that are relevant to them. Privacy is built into Spond. Groups on Spond aren't searchable, so you'll need to be an invited guest to join. That's both a safety and a privacy feature, which is particularly great for children's groups. With all your members in the loop, you can create events, post messages, photos or files, do polls, or even collect fees if you want to. If you need to get tough, you can even make it so that those who've not paid their fees can't see the event you have set up. The app interface is simple and easy to use. With events, you can make them one-time or recurring. Spond has thought of all the possibilities. If you have the app, you can have Spond add the events to your calendar automatically. It could not be any simpler. There's instant messaging built right into the Spond app, so all your group and team communications are easily findable. There's no more hunting through emails and texts, searching voicemails to try and double-check the game's start time when you can't even remember how you got that message in the first place. You can also see who's responding to posts from within your family. So the child, the parents, and any guardians that are connected to that child get a push notification alerting them they've replied to an event. And this is particularly helpful if parents are divorced, for example. Spond is absolutely free to use, and there's really no limits on it except for a 500-member cap. But even that should be more than enough to manage most large groups, teams, and leagues. If you use it to collect fees, there's also a small transaction charge. Spond means you can stop using services like WhatsApp, emails, Facebook, or text messages and just start using a service that's built for this. I promise your life as a parent or a coach will be a lot easier. To learn more about Spond, you can head over to spond.com or check out the full blog at techgadgetscanada.com. If you like this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, since it does help me keep making more videos that I hope you all can watch and enjoy. I'm Erin. Catch me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time. You can find me at ErinLYYC.